Okay, let's go back to the presentation. This is the last step, copy and paste to levels. We're going to place the AutoCAD lines, and we're going to do 2 stairs here in the top and a couple of very simple partitions here that we will be able to place an elevator later on. So let's go to the CAD. So the lines of the CAD, we should be actually in the level that we are painting those lines, if you may call it. So we're going to go to level 1 composite. I need to underlay the top so I know where the center of the main space is. So I'm going to say level 2 here, so I get those lines. Now I can say do a couple lines here, and it's going to tell me most probably here to here. And line from here to here. I'm trying to detect where the center is. Is it there? Let me hide this for a second. Move. It is there. Okay, got it. So the way we did it is similar to how we placed the property line that time. So import CAD, and you're going to select, did I download it? Tell me yes. Okay, I did not download it, so I'll leave it for the end of the next video. So I'm going to place very fast the stairs here. I'm going to do it from the level 1. Automatically will understand level 1 lab. So they're going to be 310, similar to 24 number of risers, but it's going to be an assembled stair. So we're going to go to stair. I'm going to press that option. We're going to make sure that we have 24 here, taking them down to level 2 from level 1. And the width 310. Now in this case I'm going to be a little more funky. I'm just going to go and do it outside and then move it. So 12, move down, 12. I'm going to select, before I say OK, I'm going to select these ones and move them from that point there, and then move. I know it was 4 inches, so it has a little space there, and I'm going to say OK. Okay, I'm going to select the stair. Remember that it's not the same selecting the landing here or the rail. You have to make sure that you select the stair and move here to that line. At this point I think it would be good to do a little section to see what's happening here. Double click, and I'm going to actually move these guys, no? Move from that point there. Let's accept. Now I'm missing here my beams, and so just make sure you have your beams here. There's no column at the end, just the beams. Every grid line here from this column out to this point, and then there's another beam here horizontal. I didn't have time to do it in the last class, so also I'm going to select and make sure we are attached all the way to the facade. Good. At this point we have a center axis. We can even reveal cannot select it for whatever reason. I think the computer is doing math things, so I'm going to select that. does the mirror, selecting a grid, it places in the other side automatically, and we're done. We're going to do another partition here, so it's going to be a wall. It's going to be a partition storefront, and we're going to go, for now, just drawing it there horizontally. It's going to create some frames. I'm going to just extend it to here, this guy. Now the reason why it takes so long, because the storefront has all its frames and mullions associated to them, so okay, let's go to the 3D and see what happened here. Section box. Huh, that doesn't look good, no? We should have checked the top and bottom constraints, obviously, but this is the point where we can use the attach to top. I think I'm moving the facade at this point. Let me see. So you can select storefront, attach, top base. Or actually, let's do it more professionally. Let's select the storefront and say that the top constraint should be bottom, the gym roof, no? It's gonna come down. There you go. Perfect. Now, another thing is I'm gonna edit the type and get rid of the horizontal ones. I think it was here. Verticals and horizontals. You can set here none, none, none. Delete mullions. So for now we're going to keep it clean like that. No? We'll put doors and so. Okay. Next, level 2. Not destructor, so we really don't want the tags there. Let me go to actually level 1 composite. Get rid of the underlay. And I think I have it here. Details. We're going to place these interior partitions, and they're going to be around this area of the columns, okay? So very simply for now. Oh, another thing I did is I cut this element. So you can select this curtain wall, but you can split, press and split here in the middle. You can select it and drag it to the face there, to the other face. So we leave that clean. Let's get rid of the lines as well. Hide them for a second so we see what's happening here. Okay, partition walls, so WA. We're going to do shaft walls because they're going to be around shafts, and we should be doing the same one-sided trick that we did before, meaning -1 inch exterior face, and let's make sure that we go from 1 to 2. Actually, no, from level 1 to 2. Yes, rectangle. And we do the same trick here. Space bar. Okay. Shaft walls. Core center lines. So go there. To the wall, tab up, CO, copying from the axis, there, select extended, select right click, create familiar, coming down, there we go. I think for now we can keep it as simple as that. We want to copy these guys, so I'm pressing Control MM for mirror. I go for the center axis, which it's here. I don't have that line anymore. And not only that, you select these guys and say check none walls. You deselect this wall because you only want those, and what you do is a copy paste level, select levels, and we are drawing the partitions that go from level 1 to 2. We want to place the one that go from level 2 and actually to the gym roof. Now I'm going to say OK. I'm going to go to level 2. There they are, and they have to actually go top constraint should be gym roof, no? 3D. There you go. We're getting seriously detailed here, little by little. So let me